Hey everyone, it's Samantha with A Wealthy Hairstylist, and today I actually wanted to talk to you about the importance of having a salon rental check tracker. That's a mouthful. But if you are a rental hair salon, how do you keep track of your stylists who pay rent? And do they just Zelle you? Do they Venmo you? Do they write you checks? Do they pay you cash? Like, how are you personally keeping track of all your rent checks? And have you implemented a process? Is it every week? Is it once a month? Do your stylists have a system and protocol with how the rent checks are paid? And I feel within my salon, like I've definitely have a process for how I collect rent checks for all my stylists. So for me, I'll just sit down, make myself comfortable. My stylists, they pay rent every week within my salon. Every Saturday, rent is due, and they are prepaying for the upcoming working week. I have them pay me with rent checks. It's a way for me to easily track and keep tabs. I feel with Venmo and Zelle, things get lost, and it's very hard to have like a paper trail. So there's so many stylists that I feel come to my salons and they never own checks in their entire life until they start working for me, and then they had to get checks. It's just a way for me to stay super organized. And within their rent check, they date it for Saturday, but in the memo, they write their upcoming working week. And obviously their rent is paid to the business, and then they put the amount and then they sign it. And over the years, I've developed and created this salon rent check collection portal, I guess you can say, within Google Spreadsheets. And so I've created this incredible spreadsheet that helps me track every single stylist, the rent that they pay, how much, and every single week that they pay rent, and the rent checks that they paid. And it is organized and it is beautiful. And what's really cool is at the end of the year, I could copy and paste each stylist column and then print it out and send it to them. So that way, because their rent is a write-off for them, so that way I can give them a copy of their rent that's paid, so they then can give it to their CPA as a write-off. An easy way for me to go down and see the month and then the weeks for that month and check who's paying, who hasn't paid, and what's going on within the spreadsheet. It is organized and it is beautiful. It has made the management and the process of collecting checks so much easier. With the whole rebranding of my business with A Wealthy Hairstylist, I wanted to share these spreadsheets, this rental portal collection spreadsheet with you. So it is available on my website to get, and I'm going to share all the info below, because if you are a salon owner who owns a rental business and you want a beautiful branded spreadsheet to help keep track for every week of the entire year from every stylist that works from you, I got you covered. I am excited to share this with you, and I really hope it's going to help a lot of salon owners become more efficient within their business. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and if you have any other business questions, let me know, and I'd be more than happy to make another video for you guys. I'll talk to you soon.